Good hill to wheelie. One last wheelie before the GoPro dies. Nice. How's it? Let me try to stand up. Even though this is downhill, it's kind of hard. Try to stand up right here. Shoot. It's harder. I have to get used to it again. Really high. My bike is so dirty. What battery percent we at? 75? Not even bad for all the crap I rode today. That's phenomenal. Guys, I still think the Sur-Ron is worth it in 2025. because it's basically like a freaking electric mountain bike, dude. If you want like more power, then get the e-ride, you know? Like, if you think you're someone that's gonna want that power, like personally I would want it, but I don't regret getting the Sur-Ron, because that gave me years of fun, you know? And I'm fine with this power, to be honest. It'd be so crazy to get a Stark. Those things are awesome. Stark Barg. A Barg. Yeah. What the? What the? Why is there a car there, bro? There's no one even there. That's some crazy nonsense. Oh, there's a police there. Holy crap, guys. There's a police. There's a cop right there. There's a cop. I don't know if you guys saw that. There's a cop. Holy crap. I gotta lay low. Let's pause, man. Hopefully he doesn't come here. There's actually a cop there. Where do I go? Just go nice and easy. There's a cop like right there. I just saw him and I was doing a wheelie. I hope he didn't see me, or I hope he doesn't care. But let me just kind of hide myself, get off this main road. Sneaky. Police is on my ass. I'm sure the cop wouldn't care, guys, but I rather not find out, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want it to stop me. I'd rather just avoid it. The wind is gusting. Oh, I want to go right up there. My sorter in the corner. We can just come on, slow. Yo, look at those chairs, dude. How have I not noticed this? I'm really gonna chill for a minute. What a vibe, what a vibe. Let me sit in the chair, dude. Let me enjoy this shit. Oh, yeah. Oh. Whew. Nice day today to relax. Enjoy my time. So nice. So nice. These chairs are so cool, dude. I love how they're just here. Ah, so chill.